Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to use undo and redo in Microsoft Word. For some people, they're just getting started with Microsoft Word and they're not very much familiar with some shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do just that. So if you're new to Microsoft Word and you don't make mistake while typing, of course, everybody make mistakes, right? So you don't need to panic. So your do button is your friend, okay? So let's say, for instance, typing, and let's say you mistakenly, remove this word, okay? All you need to do to bring it back, to undo something, for if you want to undo something, just click the curved arrow on the top left corner, this particular one. You click it, okay? Just click it and it will bring it back. But I mean, this particular one may take forever, okay? So all you need to do uh, is to use a shortcut key. And remember, I'm going to show you how to redo. So I want to redo what I just did now. To redo it, you equally click on this arrow, okay? I want to redo it, you click on this arrow. See that, right? Yeah, that is it. But to undo with shortcut, all you need to do is to click on the control key and Z, control Z, okay? You see, control Z, just tap it very fast and it will bring it back, okay? And if you want to redo, all you need to do is to use control Y to redo. That's control Y, okay? You see that? So it is very easy to use. It is not difficult, and this kind of make your work very much easy. So this works for typing, formatting, deleting, almost everything. So all you need to do is to make use of this shortcut. That is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more word basics. Thank you.